In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best from new flower discount promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for from new flowers discount promo code. Right here, go to this very first website, which is called retailerminute.com, and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list of different type of promo codes that we can use to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this $10 discount, on your next order, simply select right here, show code. And this is the promo code right here. You can simply tap on this button to copy the promo code, and you can use this one on your next order to get this $10 discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called couponfollow.com. And right here, you also have a list of different type of promo codes. So, for example, right here we have this one with $5 of your order. If you want to get this promotion, simply tap on show coupon code. And this is the promo code right here. We can copy this one from this copy button, and you can apply this promo code on your next order to get the $5 discount. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.